If you haven't seen my other video on how to remove tough stains like this, be sure to check that out. Now we're going to test Great Value Bleach, which is the Walmart brand, on some tough pit stains on some t-shirts I found. I'll use a gallon of water and a quarter cup of bleach, which is about 100 milliliters. I'll let the t-shirt soak overnight and compare it to the control. This shirt has soaked in the bleach solution overnight. Let's take a look and see if there's any improvement. It is a bit better, but there's still a stain. I'm going to soak it another 12 hours to see if it improves. I've let this soak another 12 hours. Let's see if there's any improvement. It is still obviously stained, but it is better than the control. Overall, not much improvement. I'm going to empty this bleach water and prepare a new batch of Great Value bleach and soak this t-shirt for a third time for 12 hours. I also have another t-shirt I'm going to soak, and I'll prepare a batch of Clorox bleach and we'll compare the results of the two. The Great Value bleach is soaked for 3 sessions of 12 hours each, or 36 hours. The Clorox bleach is soaked for 12 hours. Let's see what kind of result we have now. Slightly better than the control, but still obviously stained. Obviously, it's very difficult to get pit stains out of a white t-shirt using bleach. I'm going to reset using a cup of bleach and let these soak overnight and see if that makes a difference. Let's see if the highly concentrated version performed better. First, I'll start with the Great Value bleach. If you notice, I'm wearing gloves this time. That's because this bleach water is more concentrated. I do not see much improvement between the three. Even the super concentrated bleach water did not do a very good job removing these difficult pit stains. If there's a way that you think may work, leave a comment below and I'll test it. Thanks for watching, commenting, and subscribing. Be sure to hit that like thumbs up too.